West is always a wonderful show to go to. It's very big, it has really amazing brands, and it's just exciting to see all the new launches of the new things that are coming out in this region. It's very different from other regions in the world.
I love being here. As I said, it's my 4th year at Beauty World. It's 4th year with Nazih Group. For us, it's always a pleasure. It's always inspiring to meet so many new people, so many customers from around the world, new and old.
The Nazih Group has been an incredible partner for us, and I've been walking the floor. The booths are incredible. The energy, the amount of people through the doors. We'll be here as every year Nazih wants us here. As we can see, it's a very worthwhile show to attend.
This is the place to be here in the Middle East. If you want to showcase your products, if you want to do branding, that's the really right place. This year, like other years in the past, we have been participating in this Congress together with the Nazih Group. We are honored and very proud to be part of this big family and having our brand here.
For sure, one of the best fair and most important fair and show we participate to, both for developing the local business but also for international developments.